The Apple iPhone 17 Pro and the Canon EOS R50 represent two distinct categories of modern technology. The iPhone 17 Pro is a premium smartphone designed to offer a seamless blend of communication, productivity, and advanced imaging capabilities in a single device. In contrast, the Canon EOS R50 is a dedicated mirrorless camera built specifically for photography enthusiasts who seek greater control and higher image quality. While both devices feature impressive cameras, their core purposes differ. The iPhone excels as an all-in-one mobile companion, whereas the EOS R50 focuses on delivering niche, professional-grade photographic performance. This comparison highlights how each device serves unique needs, reflecting the evolution of both smartphones and cameras in today's digital landscape. The Apple iPhone 17 Pro and the Canon EOS R50 showcase distinct approaches to design and build, reflecting their unique purposes. The iPhone 17 Pro features a sleek 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology, offering adaptive refresh rates up to 120 Hz for smooth visuals. Its slim profile and choice of colors, including cosmic orange, deep blue, and silver, emphasize modern aesthetics and portability. In contrast, the Canon EOS R50 is a compact mirrorless camera with an APS-C sensor measuring 116mm by 86mm by 69mm and weighing just 375 grams. It includes a fully articulating 3-inch touchscreen LCD designed for flexibility in shooting angles. While the iPhone excels in everyday portability and display quality, the EOS R50 prioritizes ergonomic handling and control for photography enthusiasts. When evaluating camera capabilities, several key factors come into play, including sensor specifications, lens options, autofocus technology, and video recording features. The Apple iPhone 17 Pro is equipped with a trio of 48-megapixel fusion cameras, covering main, ultra-wide, and telephoto perspectives, and utilizes advanced periscope technology for up to 4x optical zoom. Its front-facing camera offers 18 megapixels and features center stage for dynamic framing. In contrast, the Canon EOS R50 houses a 24.2-megapixel APS-C sensor, which is larger than those typically found in smartphones, allowing for improved image quality and low-light performance. The R50 supports interchangeable lenses, giving users flexibility to adapt to various shooting scenarios. Autofocus on the Canon is powered by dual-pixel CMOS AF2, delivering fast and precise subject tracking, while the iPhone leverages computational photography for enhanced focus and clarity. For video, the iPhone 17 Pro supports Dolby Vision, ProRes, and ProRes RAW, while the Canon EOS R50 records 4K UHD at up to 29.97 frames per second and high-speed 1080p at up to 119.88 frames per second, catering to both casual and enthusiast videographers. When it comes to performance, the Apple iPhone 17 Pro is powered by the advanced A19 Pro chip and features 12 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient operation. Its storage options go up to 2 TB, making it suitable for users who require ample space for photos, videos, and apps. In contrast, the Canon EOS R50 utilizes the Digic X processor, which delivers fast image processing and supports continuous shooting at up to 12 frames per second with the mechanical shutter and 15 frames per second electronically. Regarding battery life, the iPhone 17 Pro offers up to 33 hours of video playback and supports rapid charging, reaching 50% in just 20 minutes with a compatible power adapter. The Canon EOS R50 is equipped with an LP-E17 battery, providing approximately 370 shots per charge, according to CIPA standards. While the iPhone excels in versatility and quick charging, the EOS R50 is designed for extended photography sessions with reliable battery performance. Both the iPhone 17 Pro and the Canon EOS R50 offer a range of additional features that enhance their user experience. The iPhone 17 Pro supports MagSafe and Qi 2 wireless charging, as well as USB-C fast charging, making it convenient for users who value quick and flexible power options. It also includes advanced video recording capabilities such as Dolby Vision, ProRes, and ProRes RAW. In contrast, the Canon EOS R50 features a fully articulating touchscreen LCD built-in Wi-Fi 4 and Bluetooth 4.2 for seamless wireless connectivity with other devices. When it comes to pricing, the iPhone 17 Pro starts at $1,099 for the 256GB model, while the Canon EOS R50 is priced at $649 for the body only. These cost differences reflect the distinct purposes and target audiences of each device, with the iPhone positioned as a premium smartphone and the EOS R50 as an accessible mirrorless camera for photography enthusiasts. When choosing between the iPhone 17 Pro and the Canon EOS R50, users should consider their individual photographic needs and preferences. The iPhone 17 Pro is ideal for those seeking a versatile, all-in-one device that excels in everyday photography and videography, offering advanced camera features alongside powerful smartphone capabilities. Its convenience and portability make it well-suited for casual users, social media enthusiasts, and anyone who values quick access to high-quality imaging. In contrast, the Canon EOS R50 is designed for photography enthusiasts who prioritize image quality and creative control. Its dedicated mirrorless system, larger sensor, and customizable settings cater to users interested in exploring manual photography or professional-level results. Ultimately, the iPhone 17 Pro is best for those who want simplicity and integration, while the Canon EOS R50 appeals to those who are passionate about photography and desire more control over their craft.